Hmong people. The roots run deep, the branches run far. Hmong New Year is a vibrant festival, rich in tradition, culture, and community spirit, marking the end of the harvest season and the beginning of a new year. Hmong New Year is usually celebrated in November or December, depending on the lunar calendar, and it holds significant cultural importance. It is a time for families to reunite, honor their ancestors, and celebrate new beginnings. One of the most striking elements of the celebration is the traditional clothing worn by the Hmong people. They don beautiful garments, often handmade and intricately embroidered, with each outfit reflecting the wearer's family heritage and status. Families perform rituals to honor their ancestors and seek blessings for the coming year, including a spirit calling ceremony to invite spirits back home for celebrations. Games and competitions add excitement and joy to the festivities, with winners celebrated by the community. Food also plays a central role in the celebration. Traditional dishes such as Hmong sausage, spiced and flavorful, and sticky rice, a staple food, are commonly served. Community feasts bring families and friends together to share meals, strengthening their bonds. Music and dance are integral to the celebration as well. Traditional Hmong music is played using instruments like the jeng, a bamboo mouth organ, while energetic dances tell stories and celebrate Hmong heritage. Additionally, Hmong New Year serves as a time for the reunion of families where they reconnect, share stories, and celebrate together. The festival fosters a sense of unity among the Hmong community, both locally and globally. Here to sing a New Year's song is Angel Zong.